Alexis, Texas.
Pastor? Oh my.
What did I?
You still
tell
using
what?
that,
You know what my opinion is on my name?
What's your opinion?
Alright, discussion on.
If you're gonna judge me for the name I named myself, then you might as well judge your parents for the name they gave you.
Yeah, yeah. My name's
I was
Apple.
having fun.
My name's Apple. Why would you do that to poor little Apple?
My name is Peter Peter.
All right.
They're protecting one's AFK in their spawn. But
Yeah, they're not camping. They're protecting the AFK players. That's very sweet of them.
Ah, shit.
What you guys playing?
We are
Oh,
playing
Demolition.
Dead by Daylight.
That
Dead by
cunt!
Daylight.
Sorry.
No, you're not.
That doesn't sound like you're sorry. It sounds like you're sorry you got caught.
No, I'm sorry. I've been drinking. I'm sorry. I apologize. I've been drinking. Did they not know how to plant the fig?
If it... No, this is team deathmatch, man.
We're playing TDM, okay?
I am
Why?
playing
Why
like
is it
ass
lobby?
right now.
Because you're
Every
buttons.
time you die in COD, you gotta take a shot. I think they're a good game.
I've never played COD before in my life.
I also have never played COD before in my life.
I can tell. I see on the bottom of the leaderboard.
Call of Duty.
Fuck yeah!
That's so weird. You don't know I'm over there. Like,
They're gonna be push.
I got fucking double teamed.
Can I not shoot my shot? I can't hit my shots. I'm buns. I'm 100% buns.
I have no idea how I got that guy before he died.
That was close, guys.
that was so close.
It was. I had to sweat so hard there.
What, for a kill?
Oh yeah. For the one kill I got, oh my god. You know how hard that was? Oh my god. Like, do you not see this kill cam? Definitely me.
Yeah, it was all Lulu. Good stuff, Lulu.
Oh my days. Grandpa, why are you wearing that atrocity of a skin?
I like it. I like it a lot.
Oh, because I like it. All right, that works.
Oh, hi, Dilu.
Ah.
I didn't even know they were playing this game.
Oh, I got shot in the back.
Oh my god, it's like I'm playing against bots. Oh my days. Wait, you know what? You know what?
Aren't you going
I'm
negative?
gonna run to my sniper class. Let's go.
I thought you were going negative.
I am still very much so negative. Hi Jojo, welcome back. Bye Itachi.
That they might have beat.
Oh, how am I gonna be able to run my sniper if they're defusing? That's kind of AIDS. Rude.
I need all these.
Where's the guy in satellite, dude?
Oh, there was two of them.
There's two.
Oh no.
Saitama.
Rude. Amazing. Like that? Oh my god. They shot me? That was rude of them.
Why you gotta be so rude?
Why you gotta be so
And-
rude?
Why are you shooting at me? You... I'm not gonna say it. No.
Dude, at the wrong timing too. This is some baloney.
They're diffusing.
Oh, he's on me. Lay down.
Fuck you, fat cunt. Sorry.
Why?
Sorry.
Where is
Sorry.
this guy?
You know, that's the second time now.
I say that word a lot, and I really don't mean it towards anybody.
Bull crap.
I'm happy.
Grandpa, shush, hush, hush.
Don't worry, this is COD lobbies. We expect rage.
How are you? Nope.
Someone, sorry, toss off. I don't know.
Oh, there was another one. Turn around.
How are you there? You. He's on bomb.
Oh.
We got it.
Yeah, I
They
just
gave us
baited
a
that
big
guy
fight.
So hard. I just baited that
You
guy
guys did
so
pretty
hard.
good. For a 6v4, it shouldn't have been that close, so. Especially
over
with
here playing
Revan, he's a
fucking-
sweat.
You know, Vendetta over here playing fucking Spawn Trapper.
Yes, I am.
Seems about right. Now Sasha trying to get some recruits for TikTok.
Yeah.
Hey, we all need somebody to help. It's been working.
Hey yo, like honestly, do you know how many role requests I do for Sasha on a daily basis?
She's
Uh,
my
we're
Solulu.
Like,
we're
it's
like,
fucking-
we're like
The
level 5
Solulu.
officers and up because of him, by the way.
yeah, no, like I do a lot of role requests because of Sasha.
Oh, I
Yeah,
believe
and then I look at our split and it's like half of them I'm like I brought them in and it's like they're leaving me.
it.
Mhm.
It
They're
happens.
leaving me. I thought they loved me, but they didn't.